Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup, like what is speaking and making sense. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, just keep watching. So you guys, I've done really good about not spending money because what is this economy? Sorry, why do I, like, what? I don't even know what I did to my face this morning, but sorry, there's something in my eyeball and I can feel it, but I can't see it. Okay, we're just gonna try and, well, no, I can't. This is like really bugging me. Oh, buddy. Okay. I don't know. It's just there's something there and now there's something over here. But anyway, you guys, I'm just like, let me just like rip off all the makeup that I just put on. But anyway, I was gonna say, I've been really good about not spending money on like makeup or really like anything extra or fun. Hard Candy came out with these really cute blushes. They're called the Blush Unlock Cream and Powder Duo. So I did pick up 2 of these. They're like $9 a piece. I don't have any blush or highlight on, so we're gonna try these. Do I want Rosy Mauve or Mid-Tone Pink? Let's go with Rosy Mauve. It's the shade Royal Flush. And I just want to try these. So this right here is the cream one, and it's got like a little flip up plastic thing to cover it. And then this is a really, really soft, buttery powder. So let's just try this and see how it goes. I just realized I always smooth out with a sponge. Who does not have a sponge? I do not, because I just can't, my brain can't think these days. So I was trying to see if I had one. There goes my lip product trying to run away on me. I did have one on this table, but it seems to, who knows. So let's just gently, if you're new here, I don't do gently well, but this is really pretty. Oh man, she's really pretty. Oh, so pretty. All right, now let's go in with this powder here, and we're just kind of gonna put a little shimmer powder over that. Okay, that's really, really pretty. Really, really, really pretty. All right. I just need like a little sponge just to kind of like tap it out a little bit. It looks way, way, way darker on screen than it does in person. Let me go find a sponge, tap it out, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I found a little sponge downstairs, so I'm just gonna tap it out a little bit to make sure everything is nice and blended in. And then we're gonna get started on the eyes, which today our palette that we're going to use is going to be the Unearthly Cosmetics Lure palette. And I just remembered I need to put something on the lips. This is the Hard Candy Lip Shine in the shade Taffy. Let me get some of that foundation off my lips. And all right. I feel like that goes really, really, really well with the blush. Now, Unearthly Cosmetics Lure palette. We're going to be doing a lot of shopping our stash because if you live in the US, you're probably like me and really just, you know, you don't have money for like extra fun things, you know? Makeup, no. Can't buy that. So this is the palette. She is gorgeous. Like I said, shop in the stash. I found a lot of really awesome palettes that just kind of got buried. This is one of them. So we're going to do the same look because what is time? Indy does have a doctor's appointment, so I really need to get it together. She's just getting her nails done. We tried to do it last week when we were there, but she was just not having it. So we got her some stuff to relax her, and I'm going to see how that goes today. So let's start with the shade Minotaur. And let's start just putting that. You guys, I might have to move closer because I feel like I'm really far away and I can't see. I'm not that far away. I just can't see. I'm getting older. My vision is definitely not what it once was. Something just fell. I don't even know what it was. Okay. Now we're going to take this shade. Let's go with Fawn right here and like mix it with that purple shade. I just feel like it's gonna look really, really cool together. Just blend it out. Alright, you guys, so yeah, I'm gonna have to move closer. I can't see. Now I'm hitting my leg on the table. Okay. Trying to set up as high as I can because like I always go out of frame, but like my mirror is like down here, so, and it also has smudgies all over it, so I'm like trying to like see in between the smudgies, and I'm just horrible at staying in frame. Like I don't know how people do it. I'm like, is my head like huge and I just can't do it, or I don't know. Oh no. But anyway, so that's really, really pretty. I need to put something on the lower lash line. So let's go with Centaur right here. I'm just gonna do like an orange lower lash line, which is really, really pretty, by the way. Now, let's go with some glitter glue. I suppose I haven't really thought about like what shimmers I want to use. So I'm thinking, what do I want to do? Okay, let's do Sphinx right here. We're going to put that down. And then I think we're going to put some of that blue shade like over the top of it, maybe. Let's just... Oh, this is so pretty though. But I do really want to go in with some of that blue shimmer. I forgot how much I love Unearthly Cosmetics. Like this shimmer formula, fantastic. Just looks so pretty. Like I literally love this as it is, but I just really, this blue shade, I want it somewhere on my eyes. So we're just gonna put it like in the center. Oh, that's pretty. I love that. Okay, we almost forgot. I need a little lower inner corner highlight. So let's go in with Serpent right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go do some mascara, eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back. If you know, you know. Alright, so let's do a little final look. Alright, so Unearthly Cosmetics Lure Palette. One of my favorite Unearthly palettes, you guys. It is small, but it packs a punch. And it's just a really, really fun color story. And this to me is something like, I mean, you could use year round. I mean, I'm getting fall vibes, spring, summer. You could even do some like a deeper like winter look. I don't know. This is just a really, really great palette. And I usually am a fan of bigger palettes, but there's just something about this one that it just checks off all the boxes for me. It's a fantastic palette. All right, you guys, so I am posting, if you don't know, because YouTube does not push out my content. I'm just a smaller creator. I can only post like one long video a week. If that, most weeks though, there's one going up. So if you're not seeing them, come check out my channel. The videos are there. My content just doesn't get pushed out because I'm a smaller creator and I'm so small that like YouTube doesn't really see any value in me because it's like, why, you know, I just don't get enough views. So my videos are there. They're just not being shown to people. And I do shorts every morning. So I film them, post it on another flat platform, and then try and post it on the tube. But like my phone, all it does is run out of memory. So if I'm running out of memory, I can't post it on the tube as well. So if you want to see like more stuff, follow me on the talk because it's just, my stuff gets seen there. It doesn't get seen here despite what I try to do. I will still post here. It's just some mornings, like if there's not a new post that goes up, there's a good chance it's on the top. My phone just ran out of memory and crapped out and I couldn't post it on here as well. So, you guys, if you want to help me out, give this video a thumbs up, comment anything down below. Like, it literally does not matter what it is. And yeah, share this video if you want to. That also helps. I keep thinking about doing lives again. I've just been there's so much going on, you guys. Like there's just so much going on. Like I wish I could talk about it, but I don't know. It's just hard. Just hard. So, remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.